Willcox, Arizona today to Apple Annie's. I have this dress on that I've shown you guys before. And I've got boots on, little statement necklace. And yeah, we're off. Oh, is it starting? We're here! Yay!
Look, I dare you.
Huh?
We should get lemonade since we're on.
Look at the beautiful orchard here. We're picking our apples. Gavin's in the wagon. It's so pretty here. We've got some red delicious and golden delicious. Isn't it so? They have apple cider donuts. Pie. Oh, that pie looks amazing. Pecan pie. Oh, this is the one I want to get. Apple peach crumb pie. Peach butter? What? Big part.
There's free samples.
There is? What's the difference between, why is this one lighter, this apple butter?
3 different apples.
Oh.
Juice, sweet, old
Oh,
fashioned.
no, yeah. Pies, you guys. Fresh baked today. Peach raspberry, peach plum. This one I just got, apple peach, apple cherry. Amazing.
She does want to try some.
Oh, so you're gonna eat my sample? Is that what?
Because I haven't got mine.
Which one should I try, babe?
You should probably try the chocolate pecan. It's really good.
No, you should
Okay.
actually, if you want one, you should try the
Ooh,
orange cream.
apple pie one sounds bomb. Orange cream.
The orange cream is delicious.
Peanut butter chocolate. Yum. We got some apple smoked burger over here with some bacon and cheese, beans,
Chili.
some beans, some chips, and we
Baked
got pie
beans.
later. Oh yeah.
Has to get
Which
that
one did you
spoon.
get, babe? The apple crumb? I have a tank top on right now because I have not gotten dressed yet, but I wanted to share with you my makeup of the day because I'm trying out a new brand that I've never tried, and I honestly have not heard many people talk about it. It's Il Maquillage, and they're based in New York. They're definitely a luxury brand because they're a bit pricey, but I have their foundation on today, and I'm in the shade Woke Up Like This number 20, or I think it's Woke Up Like This foundation in number 20. Pretty sure. I'll do a full review soon so you guys know. I'm also using their brow like fibers. This is like a thing with a lot of brands now. Perfect shade for me. I'll let you know what I think as I wear it throughout the day. Also wearing their liquid lipstick. Look at this gorgeous packaging. It's glass. It's stunning. And this is in the shade Matte Gala. It feels super comfortable for being that. It's a very, very matte liquid lipstick. No transferring. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna be wearing these products throughout the day, and I'm gonna do a full review on all the makeup that I received from them. I got some eyeshadow too, eyeliner, a few other things, so I'll be sharing that soon. All right, it's that time again, you guys. I'm gonna share a few things that came in the mail recently, PR goodies. First is from L'Oreal, and this was kind of insanity. Wait for it. Oh, it's literally the entire collection of their True Match foundation, which I have never tried. Can you believe that? So I am going to be picking out my shade, giving some of these away to friends and family. And then L'Oreal is doing something that I think is really awesome. They said that they will arrange for return shipping to facilitate in the donation of the foundations to a charity organization, which is awesome. But I actually already do donate to a women's shelter here in town, and one that supports women that are going through recovery with breast cancer. So I'm probably going to donate to them. Here's all the concealers as well they sent, which is so awesome. Haven't tried these out. Just so you guys know, women's shelters in my area do not take makeup that has been used, only unopened makeup. And that is why I sometimes have things on Poshmark, or maybe I have things that I declutter and just give to friends and family. And that's because they will not take them at the shelters. So just so you're aware, because I've had a few questions about like, oh, you can just donate to that to a women's shelter. And it's like, nope, not unless I haven't touched it, swatched it, all that good stuff. All right, I also got this big package. I'm actually not going to show you everything that's inside of this box. It's from Il Maquillage, and I have everything from foundation, liquid liner, lipsticks. I kind of told you guys already that I'm testing out these products, so this will be in a full video review very soon. I also got this cute package from The Balm. They have the cutest packaging. Alternative Rock Face Palette Box Set, and they actually sent me 2 of each palette, so 2 of these will be placed in my next giveaway, which is pretty cool. And what's adorable about this packaging is that it has like a little sleeve, but then it looks like a little album. And then here are the products. This is the volume 2. Has a bronzer, blush, highlight, and then 6 shadows. Really perfect for traveling. I might bring one of these with me to Vegas this week. Let me show you the other one. This is volume 1. And the shadows in this speak to me more, but the blush speaks to me more in that one. But I probably will end up bringing this one because I like the shades in this a lot. So beautiful. Then I also got a package from IT Cosmetics. This cute little makeup bag that said it's your most beautiful you, with little lips on it. And then this brush, look how gorgeous that is. The little heart confetti inside the brush there. It said love is the foundation. And then it's a little heart shape. You can't really tell, but it is a heart shape. And see, it looks like this. And what's awesome about this is that every brush that is purchased, IT Cosmetics will donate a brush to the Look Good, Feel Better program to help women face the appearance-related side effects of cancer with confidence. That's awesome. So I'm really happy they do that. And then I do have this awesome watch from Tree Hut. Now this is for Chris, and I'm going to give it to him prior to this vlog going up because it is a surprise for him. I did get this for review purposes from Octoly. It is a wood watch. And I do want to see how it compares to the Jord watches that I really love that I got for my dad's for Father's Day. This one looks like really great quality as well. Chris has like kind of an allergy to metal, however, so I thought because there's not too much metal on this that it might be okay for him, but we'll see. This is a beautiful watch, and this is part of their new collection of watches, and I'll make sure to link it down below for you guys, but this is a beautiful present for Christmas coming up for a guy, a birthday. You can also engrave it on the back. Mine, unfortunately, did not get engraved. I would definitely, if this works out for him, I do want to get another one and get it engraved on the back for him. This one just has the metal back. So yeah, I think it's a beautiful watch. They do have them in women's watches as well. Obviously, this is a man's watch. I mean, a woman could wear it if she felt like it, but just saying technically it's a man's. And then I do have my BoxyCharm to share with you real quick. All of the items that came in my BoxyCharm this month are full size, which is, they blow me away every time because these are very high-end, awesome products that are well known that we're getting in the box. It's so great. So this first one is the Laura Geller blushes. And if you've been watching me this year, you know that I actually really love the Laura Geller blushes. And I've been using like more of a corally shade all year long in my use up for the year. But this color is called Tropic Hues. It's their Baked Blush and Brighten. It's a beautiful shade with some glow to it. These go for $28. My goodness. Then we have this Pretty Vulgar palette, which I've always wanted to try their products, but just have never purchased. This palette goes for $35. Look how cute this packaging is. It even has a mirror. It's like really beautiful neutral tones. I can't wait to try this out. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Then we have this eyeliner from Butter London. It's $19 retail. And it's one of those that has that little wheel. Here, I'll open it in a second to show you, but it's a very different kind of liner. I'm very curious about that. We have 3 blushes from Alamar Cosmetics, and this goes for $18. And then we have a Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick in the shade, let's see if I can have that focus, Deep Burgundy. I probably won't swatch this just because I will give this away to you guys. I know I won't wear this deep of a shade, but it's beautiful. I love the liquid lipsticks from Lorac. This goes for $19 as well. Wow. This was around $125 value. Insane. I'm telling you guys, BoxyCharm is still my favorite subscription service. Amazing. Products that you'll actually use. I do have a, what's it called? Like a subscription link down below for you guys if you'd like to use it. And yeah, that's it for my PR haul. This is the most disgusting thing of life. Fucking barium sulfate. I have to drink this because I'm getting a CT scan today because something's wrong with my tummy and I don't know what. CT scan done. Thank you, Jesus, because that wasn't fun. But I'm glad it's over and hopefully they figure something out. Figure out what's going on with my body. All right, I have to go home and start getting ready for packing for Vegas. 2 more days. Looks like a bit of a tornado right now. I'm starting to pack. It looks like I have a lot of black, but I swear there's some color in there too. And I have this beautiful dress that I'm going to be wearing Friday night because we're going to be going to a really nice dinner and a show. This dress is from Tahari. I think it's so beautiful. This is the back of it, actually. You can kind of see the front there, but anyways, so I will be wearing something with a little more color. And then I'm going to show you my shoes, too, really quick. These are the shoes I'm going to be wearing Friday. Aren't those pretty? It's like a little kitten heel. Nude pumps. These are from Ink. Alright, I gotta finish these Vince Camuto shoes with you guys that I did recently get and I forgot to show you. This is the item number. And they were in their sale area. I love the stud details. I love that it has like a little bit of a chunkier heel, a little bit of a peep toe, and they're super comfortable for Vegas, so I'm gonna bring those with me. My mom got me these sunglasses from Torrid. Aren't they so cute? I actually get a lot of my sunglasses from Torrid. You guys ask me all the time where I get my sunglasses, and I never purchase really expensive ones. These were like $14, I believe, and they have like the little bling details. I think they're so perfect for Vegas. And she also had got this for me from Hotlook, and it's from Kenneth J. Lane, and it's this beautiful bead bracelet, little bangle. And then these little earrings that go with it as well, which I think are so cute. So I'm gonna bring these to Vegas with me for some good luck. And yeah, I'm still packing. I'm not feeling the greatest today, to be honest. Feeling like a touch under the weather. I'm trying everything to kick it because I do not want to have anything for my vacation. So please pray for me and send me good vibes. Editing, that's my laptop. Because I'm going to put a vlog up for Friday, which you guys are probably now watching. The Sunday vlog, I cannot 100% guarantee that it will be up Sunday morning, maybe Sunday afternoon, just because we're going to be partying in Vegas. And Sunday's vlog will be entirely Vegas. This vlog was up until today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. And I hopefully will have a whole nother vlog on Sunday for you. That'll be Vegas. I'm so excited. Big news. My website is now up and running. it is just melissaparada.com, or I think you can use honeybeephilosophy.com and it will come up as well. My brother helped me get this together. It was kind of like my birthday present that I've been working on now too and trying to post some content. I just had my very first blog post go live this week, all about our adventures at Apple Annie's. I know you guys got to see a bit of that here on the vlog, but please go check it out. I would really appreciate that, and I will continue to post content on there, fashion and beauty and things of that nature, so make sure to go see the link down below.